Welcome to Mike's Tech Tips. I'm Mike Everhart, AMP-IA and the 2022 National Aviation Maintenance Technician of the Year. This presentation continues the pre-flight after maintenance series with the firewall forward area. Check for proper oil level. Check your fuel screen for water and debris. Also check your cowling fasteners to make sure that they are secure. Inspect inside the engine compartment for debris. Check your propeller blade for any damage. Also check your spinner for damage and that the screws are secure. Check the induction air filter for proper installation and cleanliness. Check the exhaust tailpipe for any movement. Before you complete your firewall forward inspection, look at the nose landing gear strut for proper inflation and for leaks. If you find any discrepancies during your walk around, let your AMP know before you fly. Remember, your safety comes first. Next time we'll cover the landing gear. Until then, I'm Mike Everhart, and this has been Mike's Tech Tips.